Now, if you are a pork skin fan, like I don't need any of guys. These are Denis snack pork grinds and Demar snacks. Both are pretty much the same product. Same calories, pretty much the same thing. These are both 3-ounce bags. Price varies, depends on what store you get them at. And I believe they both have 18 grams of protein per serving. Yes, both have 18 grams of protein, which means there's 3 serving sizes in here of 1 ounce each. 140 calories. Now the question is, which is the better product? Neither. They taste exactly the same. The only difference is where you can find them and the availability. These things are going off the shelves like hotcakes. They're absolutely delicious. They're hard, they're crunchy, they have a little spicy taste to them, but you can't really tell it that much. But they're absolutely delicious. I'm just going over one right now and let you listen to what it sounds like. Standard hard pork grind. Now you hear how hard that is? Other potato sounds is exactly the same way. Only way you know the difference is by the packaging. That's pretty much it. But quality-wise, same thing. It's gotten to the point now I can't even find them. They've gotten so popular. I first found them, I'm going to say late 1990s. I think it was somewhere up north. And they've slowly been moving their way down. Well, they're so popular now, they just sold to Kenyan people. So, if you can find one that still these two brands, one of these two brands, don't tell nobody. Okay, until next time, family. Take care of yourself. That's the product review for pork grinds that you will love. These things are worse than drugs.